there, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily get more filters in Snapchat. So let's start. First, as you can see my face, what you want to do is just click on your display. When you're gonna click on your display, you will see this double smiley face right down here. Just click on it. And when you're here, you have option to use like a lot of cherry cheeks, butterfly, little heart, dino, blush, like what the fuck. And now, oh yeah, what can I say? I'm a dino now. So yeah, or I don't know, what else are we going to use? Yeah, money. Let's see, it's loading right now. So this is how you actually do it. And this is how you can add more filters on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, you can support and subscribe, you know how it goes. Thank you. Have a great day, and don't forget, let the money rolling in. Goodbye, guys.